Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Devash Khan. I am studying in Standard 6. Today I am going to speak about Mauryan Empire. It is an important period in Indian history. First, let us talk about Chandragupta Maurya. He was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. With the help of his teacher Chanakya, he became a powerful king. His capital city was Patliputra. He ruled his kingdom well and made India strong. Now let us talk about Emperor Ashoka, the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. In the beginning, Ashoka was a brave king. He fought many wars, but Kalinga War changed his life. After seeing so much suffering, he decided not to fight wars anymore. Ashoka followed Buddhism and taught people to live with kindness, non-violence, and peace. He helped people by building roads, hospitals, and buildings. Mauryan age teaches uh, how good kings should care for their people. Thank you. Have a nice day.